Hey, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are taking good care of yourself. Welcome back to your social science class. Today, we are going to discuss our last topic of history, chapter 4, the first cities. So, please listen to it very carefully. In our previous videos, we have learned many interesting facts about Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. Today we are going to learn about the Harappan cities that were present in Gujarat and why the Harappan civilization declined. Lothal is a coastal site. Like the other site, it was also divided into a citadel and a lower town. A large warehouse has been found which was perhaps used to store surplus goods. Many bead factories, many seals, and even a dockyard has been found here. This dockyard was connected to the Gulf of Cambay by a channel. This dockyard proved that Lothal was probably used as a port for overseas trade with Central Asian countries. Dholavira lies in the Khadir Island in the run of Kutch. It is locally known as Kotada. In terms of size, it is one of the largest Indus settlements in India and fifth largest of the sites that have been discovered so far. It was famous for its magnificent town planning. Dholavira was different from the other Indus cities because it is not only divided in two but into three parts: a citadel, a middle town, and a lower town. Each part was enclosed by a stone wall. Many graves have been also found here. Come, let us see this video of Dholavira. These are the findings that have been done by the archaeologists in Dholavira. Excavations first began here in 1990 and are still going on. Next is Goladhoro. Goladhoro is a recently excavated site found in the Kutch region. Many articles made up of shell and copper were found here. These articles suggest that they might have been produced here. A unique seal has also been found here. It is shaped like a box and is hollow. Many finished and unfinished shell bangles have also been found here. So these were the three main Harappan cities present in Gujarat. Now we have studied about the rise and shine of the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization. Now let us study why this civilization declined. What were the reasons behind the decline of Harappan civilizations? About 3,500 years ago, there was a big change in the life of the Harappan people. The number of people living in cities became less. The overseas trade stopped. Instead of baked bricks, they started using sun-dried bricks to construct their houses. In Mohenjo-daro, their drainage system that was very well planned, that also failed. The drains were choked and the garbage got piled up on the street. The reasons behind all of this happening was not known, but something was wrong. These all evidences show that the decline had perhaps begun, but causes may have differed from city to city. There may have been natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, epidemics, or change in the course of River Indus. Whatever may be the reasons, but the archaeological evidences suggest that people abandoned the cities and moved towards the smaller settlements, which led to the decline of Harappan civilization. So, in the end, we can say that the Indus Valley civilization started with a very well planning, but it declined very badly. These are two homework questions for you. First one is, how was Dholavira different from most Indus cities? You have to tell. Then second question, what may have happened for the civilization to decline? The reasons behind the decline of civilization you have to tell. I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any query, you can write to me in the comment box with your name and section, please. Please like and subscribe to my channel also, and please press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you for watching, students.